Hi, good morning. Today is Mama Bloom's 36th birthday. And Mama Bloom and Este.
Kanina pa kami naglalabing-labing ng anak ko.
Yan. Happy birthday, Mama
I spent
Bloom.
my day with my family.
Yes, family. Mama Bloom. Happy birthday, Mama Bloom. Happy 11th anniversary.
36th birthday.
36th birthday and 11th
11th year anniversary with my daddy. With my loves.
So yun, mamaya mag-ano kami. Mamaya we will go to Biking ulit.
Biking King.
Biking King. Biking King. And saya ni Este.
Spending day with my...
I love you.
I love you too.
Mother.
I love you, mother. Where's your mother?
Here is mother.
Here it is.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday to mother. Este.
Bring a bed. Bring a bed. Bring a bed. Bring a bed.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go.
Yes.
Can you do it again? Are you Princess Este?
What is your name again? What's your name? Are you pretty? Pretty Princess Este? Let's go to your castle. Are you ready? Are you happy? Okay. Let's go.
She's happy daw. Dito na kami sa birthday ni Mama Bloom. Mag-ano kami, Binis Piazza. Happy birthday, Mama Bloom. Ayan. And si Princess Este.
Oh, okay. The
Ayan.
princess is...
Bumababa na siya sa
The princess is going out.
sa car seat niya.
Going out.
Ah, Princess going out. Okay. O sige. You will go out.
Your castle.
Oh, we'll go to your castle, ha?
Yes.
Okay, sige.
I
Bye-bye.
like there.
You like there? Okay, sige.
Okay, if you are a princess, you have to have good hair.
Oo nga, you should
Good
fix
hair?
your hair.
Yeah, fix hair. Fix hair for the princess is
Fixing her hair.
Yeah, the princess is fixing her hair. Where's your crown?
Come.
I will buy you a crown.
Ouch.
Okay, mamaya ulit. Ito kami sa loob ng Binis Piazza. Este running. And Mama Bloom running. Oh, go, run. Go. Follow mommy. Oh, follow mommy. Birthday ni Mami dito sa Binis Piazza. Wow, you love it? Ha?
Do you like it? You like water? But no one is swimming there.
You airplane.
Airplane.
Daddy, airplane.
Airplane.
Oh, galing
Wow.
Let's go.
Oh, tara, let's go. Yes, giant water daw. Giant water, Este. Oo, mamaya. Tara. We will look at the water.
Kaya dapat makakain na tayo.
Oo, kain na. Gusto kami kumain. Si princess, saka si, Mama Blue. Si princess. Tapos na kami kumain dito sa, lalakad na kami sa labas.
Okay na.
So, hindi na kami nakapag-buffet kasi gabi na. Mahirap ubusin yung buffet, sayang pera. So, hanap na kami makakainan naman. Let's go.
Mommy.
Oh, there's mommy.
Stop.
There's mommy, oh.
Mommy.
Oo. Tara. Oo.
Ding, ding, ding. No.
Dito lang tayo. Dito.
Water. My water.
Oo, wait, water.
I feel nervous now. Hawakan
Oo,
mo
oo.
maigi ah.
Lock. Many padlocks, no?
Huwag mo na hawakan yan, that's dirty. Alright. Ganda kita na yung katangay mo.
Water, no? Stay.
I feel nervous. I feel nervous. Swimming
Oh. Oh. Water. Oops. Oh, sit there, oh. Lika. Go there, oh. Sit. May chair dun, oh. Go to the chair. Dali, ayun ang chair, big chair. Ito, oh. Look at the... Wait for daddy. Oh, let's watch. Hmm. Saan? You want to climb?
Yes.
Yeah. Sing ka nga. No swimming. Ito pa. Go. One more. Para may video at picture. Oo, sige. Yung alin, yung alin. Dito tayo. Doon ka sa ano. Princess Sofa, oh. Oh. Hold my hands. Oh, it's so high. Yes. Oh, hawakan ko. Hawakan ko. Wait lang, may nagpipicture. Wait lang.
Stand still lang, stand still. Uy, Andre, ha? Hi! Ito yung flower, oh. Nandito yung bees. Oo.
Ang daming bees. Closing time na dito sa Venice Piazza.
Ito yung bee. Ito.
Oh, bee! Si Mami. Look at the bee.
Yes, enjoying her visit.
Venice
Dito.
Piazza, yan.
First time here.
Oh, first time.
First time mo, girl.
And
First time.
happy birthday, Mami Blue. Happy
Ah.
36th birthday. Yan. Ikaw sa Venice Piazza ngayon. Kasama si SK. Water daw, water. Yan. Water. Let's play a game. Let's play a game, dali. Dito. Run. Let's go. Let's play a game. Stay. Oh, come on. Oh, let's play a game. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, dito.
Bring out Daddy.
Playing outside. Oh. Masaya sa dito, Mami. Dapat siguro dito tayo madalas. Princess Este. Come here. Smile.
Princess, smile. Dito.
Ano, dirty? Ew.
Oo, tayo ng kasi.
Diba? Let's race. Este, let's race. I'm winning.
Dito ka sa sofa, bilis.
Este, let's sit.
Princess, sofa,
Let's sit
bilis.
here.
Princess.
Come on, let's sit here. Tara. Oh. Oh. It's not so far. Are you okay?
Are you hurt?
Doctor. Mommy, doctor. Oh, doctor will check.
A patient. Patient testing. Injury.
Injury.
Injury, ha? Upo ka na muna dito.
Ayun, tapos na kami. Napagod si Este. Solve si Este. Takbo siya ng takbo kanina. Ayan, sulit yung ano dito. Sulit yung pagpunta dito.
Ayaw doon. Wala naman ka.
No more tao. I love you too. Dito tayo. Buckle up ka na. O sige, go. O buckle up.
Pagod na siya.
Pagod na siya.
Ngayon lang siya nakaramdam ng pagod. Kasi ano ito, tumbay. Yan. Oops.
Buckle up.
Ngayon pa lang na pagod ah.
Pagod ka? Pagod. Ito, wash your hands. Ito, nag-settle down na si Princess Este. Sa wakas napagod na. Ilang takbuhan lang. Sarado na to mga dito. So yan. Going to the parking. Happy birthday ulit, Mami Bloom. Yan. La 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 la. Dito tayo bababa. Yung parking natin dyan. Dito tayo umakyat eh. Buti tanda ko pa yung parking natin. Malapit lang yung parking natin dito eh. So yan. Saraduhan na kami. So yan.
10:51 eh.
Dito kami sa rampa.
Sa rampa tuloy kami.
Oo, tara.
Grabe adventure.
Yan. Sana walang kotse. Wala namang kotse. So yan. Okay pa naman. Wala namang kotse. Sarado na yung B1. Galing kami dito. Bakit?
Wala na ibang way.
Wala yung isang way. Kaya nagrampa na kami. Adventure.
Pagod na oh.
Ang daya nito oh.
May stroller. Buti may stroller.
Oo. Ayan. Tapos lalabas tayo dyan. Yan. Kasi, yung. Kaysa mag-ano tayo sa ano malayo. Ayan.
Going home.